Hi there, it's Monday morning here and we're just getting ready to say goodbye to Ahmedebad for a few days, actually probably a couple of weeks. We're heading out to Rajkot this morning, so it's going to be a long trip. I will try and get some video along the way if it's worth shooting, but I have no idea what this journey is going to be like. We are traveling by car. We did think we might take a bus, but we were advised that this car would be easier and not that expensive, so come along and join us.
Make this lights goes.
This is an office building, but how fun is that? We're stuck in traffic, so there's time to film. And here's another interesting building. So Tim just pointed out this is a 3-lane road, so there's 1, 2, we're 3. There's three more on the other side, so there is almost 6 cars wide in our 3-lane road. We're out of the city now, and I guess in country there are fields alongside. It's still not really exciting, not a lot of stuff, but the occasional gas station, petrol station like here. There are the auto rickshaws on the street, but not nearly so many now that we're out of the city. Some trucks, a few motorcycles, mostly cars and such. In the middle of the road, sort of like home, where we've got a median with some flowers planted. And the ever-present billboard.
Like in Australia, it's the kangaroos coming in.
Right. Yep. Yeah, so on the bigger highways, they have big fences to prevent that, but not in the country.
Oh, okay.
A lot of electric pylons stretched across for everybody to have electricity.
That's the issue.
There's also
In the
a lot
night
of solar power here,
Any dog
and we saw some pieces of wind turbines. Apparently they also use some wind power.
So I noticed a lot of these little hotels.
Yeah, we're gonna stop there.
So when people are traveling, they just need a stop to rest. They go there.
That's good.
Oh, really green grass. It is winter here, of course, so there's not a lot of really green grass.
Yesterday. He's from Australia. He said to me, what is the difference between true and correct?
I don't know that there is a difference.
So the difference is when you write
Stalls along the side of the road.
and when you write it correctly, then we say, yeah, it's correct. When you're speaking something and you are saying a truth about it, yes, it's true.
Right. Yeah. I can see that.
No, no, ये नहीं भाई, इधर भी हम व्यवस्थित जगह है. होटल आबादी जैसे ना, हम पूरी व्यवस्थित हो, बाथरूम सारा हो.
So we seem to be passing through a village or a small town or something now. checkpoint of some sort?
Yeah, this is the, not the checkpoint,
Toll,
but
toll road.
toll road.
Oh, the toll road. Okay. Oh, a bag of something. They look like chickpeas from here. So where do you pay the toll? Because we didn't pay a toll
The
there.
toll was going the other way.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah, you're on the wrong side of the street here.
okay.
Lynn tells me no, we're on the wrong side of America.
It's very close. We can't trade with China. If anything goes south, they will fight.
Yeah, sure. Our government is allowing it, and a lot of people aren't happy with it.
Oh, is it? Because they are getting more money out of it.
Yeah, right. Well, the concern is that it's going to, if things go sour, it could potentially interrupt our food supply.
Absolutely.
You know,
What do
that's one of the problems we had during COVID.
These are the wing.
Yep.
These are the wind turbine blades. They're just huge, aren't they? I don't think I've ever seen one up that close.
Eating would go and picnic on a farm, and they would picnic under this particular oak tree. They would cross the farmer's fence, and they would go and have a lunch under this tree. For a wedding present for my mother, he bought that land, and he paid $25 a month until it was paid off. And they still live in that home today, under that oak tree.
Came last year from USA. He was working in my, as I mentioned, my uncle. He was there.
Straight ahead for
It
Rajkot.
was not shown to us, but it was a
Okay. Dodge the cows on the road. We just crossed from the middle. Road is still being constructed. We've been detoured several times along the way, but they're still building patches of it. It's nice when we can get on it and just ride for a while, but often we have to get on this side bit of old road. We have a shepherd leading goats along the road here. And I'm not sure if you can see this mountain out in the background. We're obviously not that close to it, and there is a mist apparently going across the road, and so we're just waiting. I'm not sure if you'll get to see this. But it's out there. We've come to the Honest rest stop. I think we're going to eat lunch here. Take a break from driving. So it's about 1 o'clock. We've been on the road for about 3 hours. I think we have about another hour to go. So I'm using the microphone so I don't have to speak too loud. But we did order our food. There are only the 3 of us eating together. The driver apparently doesn't eat with us. It's just not a thing. So he's going to eat by himself somewhere. But here we are. We just ordered some bread. Tim ordered some rice and soup because his insides are a little upset from being here. I'm fine, but when they say it's not spicy, they mean it's not spicy compared to what they're used to. For us, it's still spicy. So I just ordered the cheese naan.
You want some salt on it?
And
You want some salt?
And Priyank told them not to put any spices in it. He said it would be spicy. So he told them not to put any in it for me. And this should be delicious. It looks very good. See some palm trees.
पहला मारी कराई दो जो है ना सीधे जानी करेंगे नहीं तो आए वे ने वो ऐसे काम ये दिवस की रजा नाम पड़ी सॉरी क्या है बदल लगे नीर जाओ ले
Some of them just seem so long.
I live big.
I'm thinking
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to matter which direction you drive on the road.
Meet somewhere.
Mostly people, that's an exaggeration, mostly people are going the same direction.
Yeah,
but
good.
it's not unusual to have somebody driving the wrong way.
So I just
And the speed limit's in
a
kilometre.
message to make sure I had the right number.
You don't get, clients at home.
Yep, we're at the crossroads.
But they are very happy to see. Circle
I've been wanting to show you one of those signposts because I don't think I remember to tell you before that things tend to be written in 3 languages. That one was not usual. Typically you see Gujarati first, which is the state we're in. So Gujarat has their own language. Oh, here is another sign. The light's kind of odd, and so I'm not sure how well I caught that. But typically there's Gujarati at the top and then Hindi in the middle. So Hindi is the national language and everybody pretty well knows that. And then there's English. So it's nice that we have all the languages, so those of us who can't read the other two still know where we're going.
Rajkot છે ને પછી લેન્ડમાર્ક છે ને કે ફોર્ચ્યુન પાર્ક છે.
So we're going the wrong way. We need to turn around in the middle of the road. Yep, that's us they're honking at. And there's some nice benches along the side of the road, although nobody really seems to be using them. I've noticed a number of paintings, like murals on the walls as we go by, and of course there aren't any now. Oh, here are some more. So for a while I thought this sign was odd on the back of the truck. It says horn please. I finally figured out they probably just want you to blow your horn so they're aware you're passing, because they're not really easily able to see you.